Your time is money. However, your project creation and management tools are not designed to simplify multifamily bidding and the single-family selection process. Factoring in all that is required to have full project and job oversight and accuracy can be demanding. Dealers spend too much of their time creating closet designs to match multifamily specifications and single-family selections and are challenged with accurate costing and profitability. Field measuring on-site is cumbersome. Project efficiencies decrease due to ordering errors, and the installation process can be inefficient without access to centralized information. This makes analyzing project data and access to complete financial transparency difficult. Solve this with Bid360. Bid360 makes the complex easy. Work smarter, collaborate better, and install faster with the only complete construction project workflow for multifamily projects and single-family home closet selections. Bid360 connects the right people to the right phase of every job. Artificial intelligence assists in creating closet designs, helping dealers spend 50 to 70% less time creating multifamily bids and single-family models. Have clear project costing and pricing clarity. Precisely calculate costs, margins, and profit while increasing project bid and the job selection accuracy to increase your revenue. Manage field measuring on mobile devices to save time while on site. Artificial intelligence uses your measurements and updates closet designs and bill of material in real time. Seamlessly order materials while minimizing waste. Make installation easy with 24/7 access to installation instructions and training videos. Have complete financial transparency for multifamily projects and single-family jobs. Access to profitability analysis and project progression will help you improve decision-making. Bid360 outperforms other construction project management tools. Get your free demo today.